In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create marketing emails in the drag and drop editor in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to start a new email, customize it with the editor, and send it with confidence using the built-in review tools. First, log into your HubSpot account. On the left panel, find the marketing icon, hover over it, and select email. In the email area, click Create Email. A panel will open on the right where you can choose the type of email: regular, automated, or blog RSS. For this walkthrough, choose regular. The page will reload and present a gallery of templates, along with an option to start from scratch. To move quickly, pick a template you like and click Use Template on its tile. The editor will load with that layout ready to customize. Inside the editor, you'll see your email preview on the right and a panel on the left with modules and sections you can drag and drop into the layout. Sections act as larger containers, and modules are the individual elements, like images, text, and buttons. To edit anything already in the template, just click it. Its properties open on the left with two tabs: content for the words and media, and styles for formatting like colors, spacing, and alignment. If you want to move a section or module, hover over it and drag it to a new spot until you see the placement indicator. While hovering over a section, you'll notice floating icons that let you edit the section, hide it on desktop, save the section, clone it, or delete it. When hovering over a module or element, you'll see options to edit content, edit styles, hide on desktop, clone the element, delete it, and apply a smart rule. Smart rules let you tailor content based on simple audience criteria, which is handy for personalization without changing the overall structure. Use hide on desktop when you want a cleaner layout on larger screens, or keep mobile-focused elements where they matter most. When you're happy with your edits, click Review and send in the top right. A panel opens where you can add the email to a marketing campaign and review the important details before sending. If anything essential is missing, the send button won't be available, so you're protected from incomplete sends. Once everything checks out and looks right in the preview, click Send. And that's it. You've created, customized, reviewed, and sent a marketing email using HubSpot's drag and drop editor.